This car is worth about $700,000. This thing is freaking wild. It's just a whole nother level, dude. This is freaking nuts, dude. $1 million freaking dollars. I'm in heaven. I am in exotic car world. I love this place. They have some of the best cars here right now. This is beautiful. Walk with me, walk with me. I'm gonna start from the beginning and work my way this way, all right? Rex from Triathlon Exotics gave me a special preview here of the beautiful showroom he has going on. But they have some, I don't even know. These two cars here by themselves are worth like almost $2 million. It's freaking nuts. All right, so we have Rex from Triathlon Exotics in action with Channel 2 News. As you can see, this guy's gonna be famous one day. I promise you that. Nice talking to you, okay? All right, so we have the Radical by Jason Hu. He owns this Radical, which is freaking wild. And then we have the 720S, which is a Liberty Walk McLaren 720S with the Rojano wheels. This thing is freaking wild. And the wrap is from Innotech. This purple is freaking beautiful. Look how gorgeous this thing is, right? Of course, we have my buddy EJ's car over here. And yeah, this guy is also really cool. He also has a really cool Porsche turbo, I think. But yeah, dude, I'm in love with this fucking car. This is nuts, man. Oh, look at this. Everything here is just so beautiful, dude. We have the 918 from Second City Exotics, which is another amazing car. This car has been around at a lot of events now. Triple F collection events, for sure. I saw this car over there. But yeah, dude, I am a fan of all this stuff. Back over there, there's a couple surprises I'm gonna show you in a minute, but I want to show you a Dropout. Love this guy, man. This guy's a beast, dude. This car is sexy, man. The Aventador, one of my all-time favorites of all time, for sure, right here. Wow, this is like a beautiful scenery right here to me, guys. The 720S McLaren modified. This fucking car is modified to another level, dude. It's got the Rojano wheels. It's got the Liberty Walk kit. It's got Innotech wrap. It's got Armitrex exhaust system. It's just freaking nuts, dude. This is beautiful. I love this. Then we got the Radical over here from Jason Hu. This is all only track only car. And over there we have two more surprises. Give me 1 second. Let me finish here first with this beauty, and then we'll head over there. So they have this beautiful Volvo, which is a P1800. This thing is from Graham Rahal, as you can see right there. And this car is worth about $700,000, man. This is a freaking masterpiece of a car. Restored, it looks amazing. It's just incredible, dude. You gotta look at the inside of this car for 2 seconds here. Look at that. Oh my God. This is so cool. Beautiful car, for sure. What do you guys think? Look at that, only one exhaust in the middle. That is so cool, dude. I love that shit. And then we have this thing. This is $1 million freaking dollars, dude. Out of this world, man. Holy crap, dude. This is what they call a 1976 Lancia Kimera EVO37. It's an evolution, though, you can see right there, but this is $1 million. Again, from the same company, Graham Rahal, as you can see there. It's just a whole nother level, dude. This is freaking nuts, dude. To see this cars like this, I'm gonna show you the interior in a minute, but I wanna see the front of it first. As you can see, look at this. How could you not love this thing? This is crazy, dude. $1 million freaking dollars this car cost, right? So let's look at the inside really quick. Take a look at the inside of this thing. Look at that. Oh my God. Literally, it's got like gold on the shifters, man. This is so nice. Probably the best car here, to be honest with you. This one, the 918. Actually, I shouldn't say the best car here. They're all freaking amazing. All of them, all the way down, you know what I mean? We have my boy, Chicago Car Guy's beautiful Huracan with this crazy wrap. That is amazing. This is like the coolest thing on earth. You know what I mean? Man, you must be doing something right if you got your cars here at the auto show. That's what I told Rex earlier. But yeah, I'm sure he is, you know what I mean? And then we have beautiful Jaguar, your media car. This is awesome, dude. Coolest thing on earth, man. You know what I mean? And we have an AMG GT over here wrapped in a really cool, crazy wrap. Coolest thing on earth, you know what I mean? Yep. Amazing, amazing. I don't know what to say, dude. Tag him. If you guys come to the show, make sure you tag this guy. Okay, this is the coolest wrap ever here.